In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Zoom meeting and invite others in 26. First, open the Zoom Workplace desktop app and sign in to your Zoom account. Make sure you're on the Home tab because that's where you'll find the main meeting controls. Once you're signed in, click Schedule. This opens a new meeting window where you can set everything up before sending it out to anyone. Now enter your meeting details carefully. Start with the meeting topic or name so people immediately know what the meeting is about. Then choose the date, the start time, and the duration. If this is something you'll be hosting regularly, you can also set it up as a recurring meeting. This is helpful for weekly team calls, classes, or check-ins. In the same window, you can also review extra settings like security, video, audio, and other meeting options. It's a good idea to look through these so your meeting works the way you want it to. If Zoom gives you the option to add participants at this stage, you can enter their contact details here. If not, don't worry, because you can still invite people after the meeting has been scheduled. That flexibility makes it easy if you're still finalizing your guest list. When everything looks right, click Save. At this point, if your Zoom account is connected to a calendar, Zoom may automatically prepare and send the invitation for you. If that integration isn't enabled, you can send the invite manually. To do that, go to Meetings and find the meeting you just scheduled. Click on it, then select Copy Invitation or copy the invite link. The full invitation usually includes the meeting link, the meeting ID, and the passcode, so copying the invitation is often the easiest option if you want attendees to have everything they need in one message. Next, paste that invitation into the app you want to use, such as email, Messenger, WhatsApp, SMS, or another messaging platform. This lets you send the meeting details directly to your participants in the format that works best for them. When it's time to begin, open Zoom again, go to Meetings, locate your scheduled meeting, and click Start. That will launch the session from your desktop app. If the meeting is already running and you realize someone else needs to join, you can still